According to specs revealed by leaker Kamila Wojciechowska, the Google Pixel 8 Pro may include a Super AQUA display to make its screen easier to see in direct sunlight. While the Pixel 8 Pro is said to have a Super AQUA display, the ordinary Pixel 8 has an AQUA screen. This has a rated brightness of 1400 nits HDR and 2000 nits peak brightness, whereas the Pixel 8 Pro's Super version has a rated brightness of 1600 nits HDR and 2400 nits peak brightness. According to the specs sheet, these screens will be covered by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, the current hardest glass used on Android handsets. One unpleasant piece of bad news from the same display specs is that the Pixel 8 Pro may have a lower resolution display than the Pixel 7 Pro. Hopefully, this won't distract from the overall quality of the display. It might be difficult to comprehend how brilliant the Pixel 8 and Pixel 8 Pro could be based just on the statistics, so let us to put things into perspective. According to Google's official specs, the Pixel 7 and Pixel 7 Pro feature 1000 nits HDR brightness and 1400 nits/500 nits peak brightness, respectively, beginning with last year's Pixels. However, these values may not always transfer perfectly into real life, as we recorded a 926 nit peak for the Pixel 7 and a 927 nit peak for the Pixel 7 Pro during our testing. Apple has rated the recently released iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Pro Max with 1000 nit normal, 1600 nit HDR, and 2000 nit peak outdoor brightness. However, in our lab testing, we evaluated these phones at 957 nits average brightness and 1401 nits HDR brightness, as well as 1018 nits typical and 1550 nits HDR. Similarly, the Samsung Galaxy S23 and Galaxy S23 Ultra are rated at 1750 nits peak brightness and received 1002 nits SDR/1340 nits HDR and 1020 nits SDR/1444 nits HDR in our brightness testing, respectively. The Galaxy S24 series, including the Galaxy S24 Ultra, might arrive shortly with even brighter 2500-2800 nit panels, so the Pixel 8 series won't be alone for long. If Google's figures are correct, the Pixel 8 Pro will be the brightest phone we've tested this year, which is quite a feat finally. What are your thoughts about it? So with that been said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.